Look at that. Woo! Shaka doo doo baby. Shaka, shaka, shaka. Woo! Hello everyone. Happy New Week from Mama Niger to all of my subscribers, my viewers, and my guests across the globe. I hope you all are having a great start at your week. And today I bring you something sizzling, a sizzling exotic cuisine that will give you a special treat and kick you off on the right foot, the right mind frame for the week. So guys, what do I have here for you? Grilled and sizzled chicken breast as well as vegetables. Guys, you gotta try this out. This is one of my favorite cuisines. This cuisine is so complete, exotic, statesman, and high-end. So guys, when you are having this cuisine, it takes you out of your own environment. It's as if you are in, it just generates a vibes that places you in that top-end exotic location. Yes, this cuisine really does that for you. So if you wanted to treat yourself this weekend, treat your family, treat your guests, this is it. What you need to create the transformation is the cast iron skillet, your chicken, and of course your vegetables. You want to spray your cast iron skillets, have it greased fully with oil. I am going to be using some olive oil spray, and on that you're going to place your seasoned chicken. Guys, all you need is about 5 to 7 minutes cooking on each side. It depends on the thickness of your chicken. You can also cook it on both sides until the temperature gets to 165 degrees, which means it is well done. Guys, I am so pumped up because I know you can have this experience at the comfort of your home, share it with yourself, your loved ones, and everybody will have a blast, and it will create some wonderful warm memories for yourself and your family, stepping you into the right track for the week. And this is something you can hook up on a weekend or even on an evening after you come from work. Here is my carrots. I have my carrots all sliced up. I used a cereal knife to do the slicing of my carrots. I'm seasoning it up now with some Mama Niger green gold. I have 1 full teaspoon of that, as well as a teaspoon of the Goya perfect seasoning and some crushed pepper. That is all I need. Give it a good toss and then place it on a flat cast iron skillet. Just take a look at that, guys. Look at that, and the juices dropping from it, which means it is tenderized, and it is all cooked through because I covered it up with a lid, and at the same time it is grilled. This does not require any transfer into the oven because you got your complete cooking right here. So I am using 2 skillets here. One is the grilled skillet and the other one is the flat skillet. I am also using olive oil spray to spray the vegetables to prevent them from drying out. And as you can see, I want a little bit more spice on my vegetables, so I am using the smoked chili, sea salt, a sprinkle of that on the veggies. That will give it a perfect taste that I am looking forward to. Usually, my vegetables are grilled on the flat surface skillet, and my meats and poultries are grilled on the grilled raised edge skillets to give it that grill mark. So look at the vegetables, guys. It is just inviting. It retains the color, no nutrient loss, and no element of vitamins lost. You grill maximum 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Flip to the next side, and voila, it is done. Our chicken is perfectly grilled and ready, and you can also check with a thermometer for a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The first batch is completed. Now we're going to continue with the remaining parts of the chicken until it is fully completed. And as you go along, you want to try as much as possible to clean out your grill pan with pieces of chicken residues that you can remove, and so that those do not become burnt and create a bitter taste at the end. All right, fam. How are you guys doing over there? I hope you are grilling along as I am grilling. So guys, this grilling is so fun. Please remember to open up your windows and put on your exhaust, because this is indoor grilling, and of course the smoke is going to go up in the air, and your alarm may trigger, but just make sure that your windows, your house is well aerated. Okay, so the vegetable grilling continues. I am on the last batch of chicken. I am doing 4 chicken breasts, which of course I have cut into about 8 to 12 pieces. And then the vegetables, I am grilling the carrots, squash, zucchini, and bell peppers. Yes. Guys, that just brings a whole lot of joy to me, because this meal is delicious. Not only delicious, it is exotic, it is high-end, and it is flavor and nutrient packed.
Look at that. Woo! Shaka doo doo baby. Shaka, shaka, shaka. Woo!
Guys, did you realize that every flavor, mineral, vitamin contents that this meal has to offer is still 100% retained in it, because nothing is washed out in the water when you cook it. This is grilling. Everything is contained in that, in the meat, in the chicken, and in the vegetables. So guys, this is something you can look forward to hook up for yourself and your loved ones. I am loving these vegetables. The turnout is remarkably gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the carrots, the squash. Guys, I just can't wait to bite into it. I know you can't either. You must give it a try. You will love it. You will love it. All right, guys, the moment of truth is here. Yes, it's time for taste testing. Oh my, cutting into this chicken was just a pleasure. Did you see all the flavors and the juice that is running on top? It is so succulent. It is so soft. it just cut through like butter. And yes, look at that piece. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo! That is delicious. Yes. Guys, you gotta try this. You have to try this for yourself. For you to actually know what I'm talking about, the depth of flavor, the charred chicken, and the moistness of it's in itself, and the seasoning, oh God, of the fibers, it's just out of this world. So you gotta try this, and I hope you do, and then you come back and thank me later because it is just unbelievable. All right, family. It was delightful having you in the kitchen with me once again today, whipping up our cast iron sizzled grilled chicken indoors. Thank you so much. So, guys, you have no more excuse to have that fun, loving, exotic cuisines whenever you desire it. All you need to do is take out your cast iron skillet, have it on your stove top, season up your chicken or your meats, poultry or fish of your choice, and vegetables, and grill away. I hope you enjoy every moment of it. Until our next time together, I'd say thank you, Obulu, Okimbefo, bye bye.